Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below. Okay, on the menu today, as you can see here, we're going to do chicken, bacon, cream, pasta. Super easy, incredibly tasty. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients for this really simple pasta. So, chicken. I've got a chicken breast. No skin, no bone, cut into nice thin slices. Bacon. Now the bacon you use is up to you. You can use a lean, a smoky, a streaky. I'm using a streaky one with a little bit of fat on it. I like that. Pasta. Get your pasta ready. I'm using this farfalle. You could be using tagliatelle, penne, spaghetti. Up to you. 1 sliced onion. 1 tablespoon roughly of chopped garlic. Oregano is the dried herb that I'm using. And then some cream. I'm using a thick cooking cream. Now you can be using a thin or a thick cream. It all works. It doesn't matter which one you use. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil. Add a bit of seasoning. That's about it. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started. Got my pan ready. You're going to need a pan or a skillet. I've got some olive oil in there. Just heating that up. First we're going to drop in our chopped garlic. And our sliced onion. To that we're going to add our breast chicken. Like I say, cut nice and thin. In goes the bacon. I've got slightly more bacon than I have chicken. The ratio of that is up to you. Really simply, 3 to 4 minutes on this fairly vibrant heat. Let's keep this moving in the pan. Okay, this is about 4 minutes in. It's looking wonderful. Simply, we're going to add some salt. Be careful with the salt because depending on the type of bacon you're using, this could be already salty. Black pepper. A couple of really nice hefty pinches. I'm now going to add in that dried herb. I'm using oregano, but of course you could be using dried basil, one of those mixed Italian servings that they have. Some thyme, rosemary, up to you. Okay, wonderful. Simply we're going to turn the heat down to a simmer. We're now going to grab our cream. Like I say, any cream works, thick or thin. In it goes. Now I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm going to get in a bit of grated parmesan in the mix. Optional. And we're going to let this cook now just for about 2 minutes. Keep it stirring all the time. And then all we've got to do is add our pasta. And this one's done. Absolutely wonderful. And very simple, like I said at the beginning. Okay, pasta time. So your cooked pasta of choice. Mine is farfalle. In that goes. With the heat on, just going to throw this around for another couple of minutes. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there we go. Super easy, wonderfully tasty, garlicky, creamy sauce. Just going to finish that off with a little bit of parsley, flat leaf parsley, or some fresh basil would be great. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.